Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about developer mode on Wix.com. Guys, if you are creating a website and if you want some changing with the coding, and if you are not satisfied with the design on Wix.com and you want to add some changes by using coding, then how will you code on Wix.com? So definitely you have to go on developer mode, where you can add code and you can add changes in your website with the code. So guys, first of all you have to go on developer mode, and so here in this header you will see developer mode. Just simply you have to turn on developer mode, and you will see all the coding of this website below the screen. As you can see guys, this is all the coding of your website, and here you can add your own code, and when you open the dev mode, then you can add your code over here, and then you can make changes in your website as you want. So guys, this is how to turn on developer mode on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.